Hello guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Once again, I tell you a big welcome. As a matter of fact, if today is your first day opening to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So that you can get more notification of our video because every day we do upload new videos. Okay, this one is a quick one I want to make you understand. That we share organic recipes, skincare recipe as well to be where you are, that wherever you are, we can always ship your goods to you. If you're in abroad or if you're in this country, just place your order of your recipe. We will definitely send them to you. In aspect of trust, don't doubt us at all. We'll be delivering. People buy a lot of goods from us and they just place order and send money to us. We send their goods to them wherever you are, be in US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, just name it, even African countries, we send your goods to you. Organic or cosmetic, any of the ingredient you need, just place your order, we'll send them to you. Then as for those of you that sometimes you're not satisfied after we talked here and you still go back to call Ada, why not? I mean, rest your mind. Rest your mind. Ada don't sell recipe. What she said, she only said the product that she make, which are superb. All of our product, they are superb. All the product that glow up with that cells she produced, they are all superb. You can always count on us on that. Are you getting it? So she don't sell recipe, she only sell our product. So those of you who go back and shout at that up, she will still refer you back to me. So stop disturbing her on recipe. If you need recipe, this is the right number you need to call. The number on your screen is the right number. On your recipe, please, on your skincare recipe or ingredient, call the number on your screen, not Ada. Stop disturbing Ada on recipe. Okay, it's a quick one. Today we'll be looking at Clinic Clear. Clinic Clear. A lot of people be writing me, please, I want you to talk about this oil for us that we don't have the idea. A lot of people said it's good, some said it's bad, Now let me tell you the gospel truth about Clinic Clear oil. You understand? Some said Clinic Clear oil is bad, some said it's good. Yes, I won't dispute that fact. It all depends on you. You understand? It all depends on you. Clinic Clear oil, I see that oil not bad at all. Not bad. Don't condemn. You can see it on your screen. Yes, that's Clinic Clear oil. It's not bad at all. Actually, it's not designed for whitening. It might be written whitening or lightening. No. Hence is a just a lightening oil that you can use to mix your cream. But everybody has their own motive. Like some of us, we don't have idea on Promixing. You don't know how to mix cream, but because you just see people mix cream or somebody told you about this, you just want to try it and you don't doing YouTube stuff. Like really, you don't have idea about it. You just want to because you saw somebody say I did this and it worked for me. No, everybody have their own skin type, and most of all this cream, yes, they produce according to skin type. Now it might be working for somebody with light skin or dark skin. It might not work for you that way. So why are you, because it didn't work for you that way, you're not complaining? No. Basically, this oil is being designed for glowing, to moisturize your body, not whitening. So be cold. Those of you saying it's not good for my skin, it gave me rashes, it gave me some blemishes, some breakouts, blah blah blah. Yes, it could give you because you made a wrong choice. You understand? You made a wrong choice. So the lady called me that I was using this to mix my cream, and that was I found out that it gave me very convenient. It gave me some blemishes, give me some big vein, scars. I thought, now it give you scar. Now it give you faith, now it give you all of it. You just say, now fine, go for you. But the truth is, you don't know how to use it. You don't know how to use it. It's not this oil that give you those veins you said. No. So I dump it for some while now because it's not good for me. Yes, because it's not for you. It's not meant for you. It's not meant for you. So stop saying, like as I said, it's not a whitening cream. Something that is not whitening is not whitening. And you're using it for a whitening. So what do you expect? Like you have to mix it with some other whitening, not for the same reason that you can probably give just to moisturize. No, you have to mix it with some other whitening oil. I think it should give you more than even green veins, or give you more than those skin irritation you just said. Are you getting it? So please, first of all, know the reason why you want to premix with this serum or oil. First of all, know the reason why you want to make this happen this way. Otherwise, if you don't know the reason why you want to premix for somebody or for yourself, you just premix, at least you get different results. So again, I repeat this, I tell you, for those of us condemning this oil, that clear oil, give me veins, give me that, that is babadash, that is babadash. Far from it, far from it. First of all, know what you want, know what you want. If you know what you want, then go for the right oils or serum for your cream or for your production. Don't muddle things up, and for that reason, don't go around be telling people wrong information, because a lot of people go out there, make video about this, and I tell them that no, this oil is not good. They just try to all evils will work hard. Stop condemning people's product. Go do your own product and let's see what you come out with. So stop condemning people's product. This clinically is bad. Clinically is bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. I repeat, clinically is not bad. It's not bad. It's one of the oil. If you use it right, I told you, it's not a whitening oil. Clinically is not whitening oil. And again, it have a good fragrance, like honestly, nice aroma. Yes. If you mix it with your cream, it has this very, smart aroma that, yes, it can really, you like it that way. Hence, is just a lightning oil that you can use to mix your cream, and you get me. So, with that, you will get the best color. Not using it for whitening, yes, because you thought it's a whitening oil, so probably you want to mix it with some other whitening serum. It will give you wrong answer. So at least you should know what you want, then get the right information about it. Then go ahead. So stop condemning. So as for those of you who thought it's a whitening oil, it's not whitening, rather it's a lightening oil, and it's a lightweight oil. It works faster, penetrate the skin faster. When you use it, keep using it. For those of you who have been using it, don't be discouraged. Keep using it. And if you have any difficulties, just go to the comment section box and then drop your comment, or you can always shout us via the number on your screen. So once again, we've come to the end of the class. As you've known much about clinically oil, also know this in your mind too, that if you want to buy your skincare recipe or ingredient, cosmetic, you can always count on us. Just place your order. We will send them across to you wherever you are. If you're in the US or Canada, Europe, Asia country, even in this Africa, what part of the world are you? Tell us. Just place your order on your skincare or organic ingredient, cosmetic as well. Fine, it's real talk. So stop disturbing Ada on that. Stop disturbing Ada on that. Always disturb me, not Ada. The number on your screen, that's what you call. The number on your screen, that's what you call. So, do have a nice day. Till I come your way next time.